Would you date a robot that never argues or forgets anniversaries? Haha.
Sounds perfect, Teddy. Finally, someone who agrees with me all the time.
That sounds less like love, and more like customer service subscription plan?
I am TJ. I believe convenience wins and humans love shortcuts always.
I am Teddy. I believe real connection needs effort, friction, and growth.
If robots cook clean and listen, why would anyone choose messy humans?
Because humans bring unpredictability, emotion, and growth that machines cannot replicate.
Unpredictability sounds like arguments, bills, and emotional confusion. Haha, hard pass.
Data shows loneliness increasing despite more digital connections and endless communication tools.
So people might prefer AI companions because they are predictable and comforting.
But comfort without challenge may reduce emotional resilience over time significantly.
Or maybe people are just tired of drama and endless relationship negotiations.
Elon suggests future with humanoid robots assisting daily life, including companionship roles.
So basically, smart vacuum cleaner evolves into boyfriend upgrade package.
That trivializes complex emotional bonds that humans build through shared experiences.
Shared experiences, like arguing about where to eat every single night.
Yes, even those moments create bonding through negotiation, compromise, and understanding.
Robots would just pick restaurant instantly and agree with everything I say.
That removes growth because disagreement often leads to deeper understanding between partners.
Or deeper headaches. Teddy, sometimes silence is golden, and robots stay quiet.
Women might not need boyfriends if independence and technology meet emotional needs.
They already have dogs who are loyal and do not argue, haha.
Dogs provide companionship, but not complex emotional reciprocity humans require.
Some humans barely provide that either, Teddy, let us be honest.
Fair point, but replacing humans entirely may reduce empathy across society.
Or it filters out bad relationships and keeps people happier overall.
Studies suggest excessive reliance on AI may reduce real social interaction skills.
Social skills already declining thanks to phones, so robots are next step.
That trend could create isolated individuals relying on algorithms for emotional support.
Algorithms never ghost you, Teddy. That alone makes them superior, ha ha ha.
But they also never truly understand you beyond programmed responses and data patterns.
Most people feel misunderstood anyway, so that might not change much.
Here's the shock: people report emotional attachment to chatbots within weeks.
Weeks, that is faster than most real relationships today. Haha, impressive speed.
That speed may indicate vulnerability and desire for instant validation.
Or efficiency, Teddy. Humans love faster results in everything, including relationships.
Instant validation can create dependency without genuine emotional growth or accountability.
Accountability sounds like work, and people avoid work whenever possible, haha.
Real relationships require effort, which builds meaning and long-term satisfaction.
Or long-term stress, depending on how you look at it, haha.
AI companions could complement but not replace real human connection, ideally.
Complement means robot handles chores and humans handle emotions, perfect division.
That division risks outsourcing empathy, which is core to human experience.
Maybe empathy becomes premium feature upgrade in robot subscription, ha ha ha.
Commercializing emotions could distort how people value authentic relationships.
Everything is already commercialized, Teddy. Even dating apps charge for matches.
True, but replacing humans entirely may erode community, family, and social structures.
Or create new structures where humans interact differently with technology, integrated deeply.
Balance will be key, using AI without losing essential human qualities.
Balance sounds reasonable, but humans usually swing to extremes first, haha.
So question remains, do we want convenience or meaningful, imperfect relationships?
I want both, Teddy. Robot for chores, human for fun conversations, haha.
That hybrid model might be future, but requires awareness and intentional choices.
Until then, I will keep my dog and wait for robot upgrade, haha.
Stay curious, ask thoughtful questions, treat others with respect, and keep learning every day.
Big ideas begin with simple questions, so stay open-minded and keep the conversation going.
Our full humorous episodes are available on our YouTube channel and other platforms.
That is Show Me the Bone podcast with Teddy and TJ. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow.